Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. How to serve in table tennis. 5 simple steps. How to serve correctly in table tennis? I mean, how to serve legally in table tennis. Many amateurs make an illegal serve. I'm a coach, and I have seen a lot of cases like this. No toss serve, hidden serve, thrown to the paddle serve, etc. Here's how you can make the legal serve in table tennis. You should show this article to the players who used a lot of illegal serves to gain an advantage. It's unfair.
Của anh Hùng 2 đều trực tiếp với nhau 3-2 rồi. Có những quả đá bóng rất hay. Như ở góc độ này chúng ta có thể thấy được anh đục mạnh đến như thế nào, như xà beng đánh gốc tre đực vậy. Giờ ra bóng khó chịu và lại tiếp tục là quả đục quen thuộc của anh Trung. Liên tiếp đục ăn trực tiếp và đục giật nhiều bóng vào góc xa của anh Trung, rút ngắn tỷ số 3-4. Và bình thường anh Hùng đấm những pha đấy rất là mạnh, tuy nhiên là anh Trung, hai vận động viên có giơ bóng phổi và giao bóng khá là khó chịu, cho nên là 80 anh Trung giao bóng. Trận đấu ở 2 set đầu tiên này đa phần các cầu thủ.
How to serve in table tennis. There are 5 simple steps to serve in table tennis. This serve is legal, according to the ITTF official serving rules. These serving steps are verified by coach EmRatThich. 1. Hold the ball flat in the palm. 2. Keep the ball above the table. 3. Throw the ball at least 16 centimeters nearly vertical. 4. Strike the ball at the descending phase. 5. Don't hide the serve. 1. Hold the ball flat in the palm. After picking up the ball, keep your hand open and flat. Let the ball rest for a few seconds before launching it into the air. An umpire can call an unlawful serve fault serve. Even if you're only warned once throughout a match, any improper serves can lead to your opponent scoring. Two, keep the ball above the table. Keep the ball behind the end line of the table. The hand holding the ball, your free hand, must be above the table. When serving, the ball should remain behind the table, your serve line. Three, throw the ball at least 16 centimeters nearly vertical. Throw the ball at least 16 centimeters. Officials mandate this minimum height. Any lower and it isn't a legal serve. The ball must be tossed vertically, not horizontally or diagonally. The height of 16 centimeters is equivalent to the length of your paddle. Make sure your throw sends the ball almost straight up. You can't just drop the ball from 6.3 inches, 16 centimeters. This is not a vertical toss, which is not allowed. Four, strike the ball at the descending phase. Strike the falling ball. Don't hit the ball while it's in the air or at the peak of your throw. Wait until it returns to the table to avoid being called out. If you hit the ball at its rising phase, then your serve is illegal. 5. Don't hide the serve. After serving, remove your free arm from the ball. Once you've served, you can't hide the ball from your opponent, so you don't get accused of doing this. Pull your free hand, your shoulder, and your head back. You must let your opponent see the contact point. Otherwise, your serve is not legal.
Các bạn đến với trận giao hữu trong khuôn khổ vòng loại cúp C1 Thái Bình giữa hai cầu thủ là Hung Đỏ và anh Trung Mông To, anh Trung quen thuộc.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.